So here we have these ELEGRP matte black 3-way rocker switches. Now you can get these in a few different colors as well as with or without a cover plate. It's just a standard rocker switch in a nice matte black finish. It has a grounding screw, a common screw, and then 2 traveler screws. There's also 3 push connections for those screws, but these are the kind that you just push the wire in the hole and that locks it up, and the screw's separate, so tightening it down doesn't affect the push connection. Some people recommend against these, but that's up to you and your electrician. Anyway though, if you do use the push connections, they're only meant for solid 14 gauge wire. And there's also a nice helpful strip gauge right here to help you get the right depth on the wire. And if you do get them with the plates, here's a look at those. They come with this little pack of 2 screws. They have a nice matte black finish. It's a pretty seamless screwless design on the outside, nice and modern. Then flipping it over to the back, there's this second plate here. And this is what you mount to the switch. You just put 2 screws through here, into there, just like that, and then you can clip the plate over it. These are pretty easy to clip on. You just make sure they're lined up with the top and the top on the same side, and then you just push it on and it clips together. But getting it off can be a little bit more difficult because you have to have a small flathead screwdriver like this, take it and stick it in one of these bottom holes here, and then either twist it or pry it off. Like I said, it can be a little bit annoying, but you really shouldn't be taking the covers off very often, and this modern screwless look is definitely worth a little bit of extra difficulty. Anyway, I have these installed all over my house and I've been really happy with them. They work just fine, just like a normal switch. Of course, you can also set it up as a 3-way switch, and that's nice as well. And yeah, overall, I really like the modern design of them, and they function as they should.